Hi, how you doing? You're here with today at George Mechanic, and I'm going to show you how to plug a tire. First, the proper tools you need: pliers, plug with the plug, a tool with the hole in it so you can put the plug in, and this other thing. You can get these tools, a crappy tire, for at least maybe 20 bucks around it. Okay, so it's a rainy day, it's kind of cold. I'm going to show you how to plug a tire really quick. It only takes 5 minutes. So if you're on a road and you're stranded, you got a flat, and you got one of these repairs, this is the way to do it. Okay, so I'm going to go through step by step. Here's how you do it. First thing you're going to do is grab my plier, okay? I'm going to look for that hole. As you see, it's leaking, right? So I'll grab the pliers and pull out the nail out of it. So get my tools ready. So I got this one in here ready. I'll pull this out slowly, and I got it out. Now find that hole where I pulled it out, right here. Scrape it. As you see, get that hole all good for you.
Every day I'm hustling.
Yeah! Turn it off, sir. Don't play it again.
With this tool, you sort of loosen up that tire. So now you hear the air leaking. Now I'm going to get my plug. I'm going to plug it. What are you doing? Where's the keys? You have them. Right there, right there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, listen, man. I'm having a fucking bloody hard time on this fucking thing. Plugging the tire is so fucking hard. I even told you off the beginning of the video, this will take fucking 5 minutes. But you know what? I'm on half an hour on this fucking shit. God damn it. I got the plug in. As you take a look, I got the plug in, but I gotta put that tool right in there. And it takes fucking manpower. I'm getting old, I'm 53. And it takes a fucking manpower to do it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do it tape 3 now. Step by step. Alright. I grabbed myself a hammer just to pound the fucking thing in. I couldn't even fucking do it. Well, anyways, as I say, don't do this at home. As a fucking professional, do it. Don't use your foot. Soap. You don't need soap. Yep. Here. Okay guys, as you see, I'm fucking so burnt out now. But anyways, if I can't do it, you gotta get the horse to do it. Okay, here we go. And there's the fucking horse. He's gonna try to put that plug in. He's gonna try to shove it in there. His own fucking car. And he's telling his old man to do it. Okay, I just plugged the fucking tire now. The fucking mighty Canadian weather. Take a look. There's the fucking plug. Now I hope it doesn't fucking pop out. So, if I did a good job and it stays up within a week or two, thank you, Crappie Tire. Alright. Well, that's how you do it. Plugging a fucking tire, man. God damn it. I'll check you back again if you like my blog. Check in down below and subscribe, man. I'll show you how to fucking fix a rotten car.